So I wanted to demonstrate something I've helped a few people with recently, and it's a really easy fix, so I just wanted to share that with you. So what's been happening is sometimes if you install Unity or even a new version of Unity, it's not connecting with Visual Studio properly. So when we go to a script, this looks fine, right? But it won't show errors, and it's not going to be working with IntelliSense. It may connect for you properly, but if it's not working like this, I'll show you how to fix it. So first, let me make a couple of errors. I don't even know what that would be. Okay, and even worse. So no semicolons, this isn't in quotes, this is not debut. But notice it's not actually showing an error. And also, I can't even, if I start typing game object, it's not even coming up as an option for IntelliSense because it's not connecting properly. Notice in the upper left-hand corner it says miscellaneous files, so somehow it's not recognizing this is a C# script. So let me get rid of this. I'm going to go ahead and save it with my errors. And I'm going to jump back over to Unity, and I'm going to go ahead and drag that to a game object. But when I run it in the console, it's just giving me a bunch of errors. So Unity is noticing there are errors, but Visual Studio isn't seeming to understand that it's supposed to be working with Unity. So it's actually a pretty easy fix. So let me first just go back to Visual Studio and close it. And then in Unity, all you do is you go to Edit, Preferences, and then on this left side you choose External Tools, and if it says Open by File Extension, I think that's probably your problem. Make sure to select the editor you want to use. So I'm using Visual Studio Community. And then I can close this. I can go ahead and open my script again. And this time it's recognizing it. Notice here it says Assembly-CSharp. So it understands that it should be looking at C#. And notice mono behavior now is in blue. Before it was in black. It wasn't recognizing it as a thing. And it's recognizing here, it points out my errors, so that's much easier. So there is no debut. Let's make this debug, and debug log high. That should be in quotes, right? And there's still an error. Sometimes, notice here, it's giving me a little problem. Sometimes if you are missing a semicolon, it shows the error on the next line. So I'm going to go ahead and put my semicolon in here, and same thing here, it's missing a semicolon. And notice sometimes the error shows up on the next line when really the problem was right here. Also, I need to capitalize log. So this will make your life a lot easier if it connects properly. And now I can type things specific to Unity like game object, and it will autofill and understand that it is actually a thing I can work with. I'm not going to continue with that. So it's as simple as that. I hope this makes your life a lot easier.